Hi everybody, my name is Patty and I'm known as the Leather Lady LLC. I have a website and YouTube channel where you can learn about leather crafting, even from saddles on tack and down. I'm here today to promote our DIY kits and hopefully expand on those because there is a need for us to learn how to do leather. We're losing our mentors. They're either passing away, moving, or retiring. So I am here to help teach, but the best way to learn about leather is through a DIY kit. What is that? Do it yourself, make it yourself, that kind of a thing. This is one of our kits here. It is it's a knife sheath, but we also have different ones for different ages, all age groups, anything of that nature. We want to be able to help somebody grow. So we need to build more leather kits. And what we're building our leather kits in, we have been in the horse industry for many years. So this leather kit is actually a little miniature saddle. That you can actually put on your pets. So this one here is an older saddle, but you can create, these come with raw leather, but you can paint them, you can dye them, you can create them, you can put stitching on them, you can do whatever. But that's the creativeness of leather. So this is what we want to teach, but the kicker that I want to do is that we want to be able to do this not only for our locals, but for online. So if you purchase a kit at our website, then what you would be able to do is go and purchase a very small fee workshop. And then you'll be able to come online with us live and do a 2-hour workshop to build your kit, ask questions, do anything like that. Does it sound similar? Maybe, however, ours is different. We have people that are experienced in leather helping you with your online experience, and also too, other ones, they just may have somebody sitting there but don't help, or maybe they don't know anything about leather. We have been in the leather business for many, many years. So what we're trying to do with these DIY kits is grow people in the art of leather, because we need your help in growing funds for building the kits. We also would like to have the facility to be able to teach more and have that Zoom for the United States and possibly international. I lived in Japan for years. There's an interest there that wants a store in Japan. So we could be here in the United States as well as international. This is great for homeschoolers, disabled, for veterans. Maybe somebody wants a new trade and a new career. Help me build the funding to help teach others a great way to start through a DIY kit. Thank you for watching, and it's greatly appreciated.